The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee has released the first list of candidates for the Autonomous District Council election 2025. The party finalized 11 candidates from Jaintia Hills and 15 from Khadc Hills out of the 58 constituencies in Khadc and Jhadc. Pala emphasized that the Congress has prepared thoroughly for the election. He also expressed confidence that the party's current candidates are well educated and of strong character, noting that the turnout for Congress membership has been very promising.
Lasha ingin pernah cua kumba cipu na Jaintia Hills, but Khadc na Khadc Hills klem poi perkat dari bapet ke jingwan jong ki beriu ke jing penisno jong ki nongkit kam ke jing penisno jong ki kandidat sekok kres nga iba kabiang ba klem arzatin ba ka kongres kandi ke parti ka ban lebhat tam lene ban bahal lebhat du na borok ini ki parti ki bandon.
The Khadc Hills Autonomous District